Hello and welcome to our Monday market updates. Today is March 27, 8:13 p.m. And today we're going to be talking about the usual Bitcoin, some NFTs, and what to expect this week. And hopefully by next month kasi matatapos na yung month natin. So let's start with Bitcoin. This is our weekly chart and we're at 27,000 levels. I am expecting that we're going to be seeing a breakout soon dito sa 30K level. And then probably a small retest. Hopefully we're not going to have a deep retracement, but if ever we do, then that's still welcome. Great opportunity to add. Guys, ramdam ko na yung bull market. Nandito na tayo eh. It's really a good sign that we're seeing here. That is a really good pattern that we're seeing, and then hopefully tuloy-tuloy na to in the coming months. But anyways, let's get right into the key levels that we're looking into. If ever magre-retrace to or magsusupport, probably ito yung mga gusto mong tingnan na levels that 25 to 26 levels. If it's gonna go lower, that's fine. 24 to what? Anong level to? Sagarin na natin. Yeah, so 24 to 26K. This is kind of like our support levels at the moment. Again, if it retraces, better, but the best is hindi na siya magre-retrace ng sobrang lalim na ganyan. Like, it's better if it just like stays here at this level. Or pwedeng mauntog siya after reaching 30K, break out a bit, and then retest, and then tuloy-tuloy na tayo sa pag-akyat natin. It's better to have those kinds of moves wherein we take out yung mga gusto nang umexit sa market, especially yung mga ipit ng matagal. Because ayaw mo ng mga pabigat. You know, like usually what happens is, itong mga nandito kasi, yung mga naipit dito for how many months, or let's say for how many years, right, na nag-bear market tayo, gusto mong ma-take out yung mga taong yun para tuloy-tuloy na. Kasi if everybody's like at a profit, I was explaining this to my masterclass students earlier. Now, when you're able to take out a lot of people who have been in that mindset na parang gusto ko lang bumawi, or gusto ko lang makuha yung part ng capital ko, or I just want to get part or my whole capital back. You know, like okay na sila sa break even, then that's the time that you would be able to see higher highs because you're left with people who are already in profits. Or yung kakapasok pa lang, so atat pa silang kumita, and they would most likely be holding the bag stronger than those na ilang years na silang ipit. Pero saglit lang naman yung ipit natin eh, parang 2 years lang naman, so hindi siya ganun katindi. Although depende din sa kung gaano kalaking ipit, no. But anyways, that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a breakout very soon. From this level, and then we'd be able to see like that 30K to 32K, and ideally we would want to have a sideways movement before diretso yan. Like we want to consolidate those gains para maging acceptable sa mga tao na hey, you know what, Bitcoin is already at the 1 million plus levels or 1.5 million. It's better that way. Yeah. Okay, so enough with Bitcoin. The coins that I'm looking into adding, especially this week before the next month comes, Ethereum. Definitely, if you don't have this yet on your list, kung ako sa inyo, well, hindi. Ako, basta ako bibili na ako later. I'm gonna be buying Ethereum, I'm gonna be buying Solana, I'm gonna be buying Uni, Sushi. So ito lahat, nagpo-position na ako dito. I do feel like there is little downside left, if ever. Cut na lang siguro ng malalim if ever. Medyo malalim yan, pero I would see it na konti na lang yung downside if ever, and mas mataas yung upside compared to the downside. And so I'll be taking these trades later on and adding to my bags. I'm gonna be adding Link as well. Matic. So ano pa ba? Matic, Avax, Gala. I think I've already discussed this on my last update, like how to do liquidity mining as well. I'm just gonna be really adding into those because I want to be getting, you know, fees from those transactions. I'm also gonna be building my single staking investments because I do feel like there's gonna be a lot of upside from here, especially in the coming weeks. So guys, again, you know, don't take my word for it, but you know, it's kind of like traders gut feel, investors gut feel. Sobrang taas ng upside from here. Yeah, Dot. What else? Yeah, those are the ones that I'm looking at. BNB as well. How can we forget? I was expecting na mas malalim yung retracement nito nung after nung nung ID, yung space ID na token. But ito lang yung binagsak niya eh. Sobrang lakas ng BNB talaga. Binance number 1. What else am I looking at? LDO and OP. Optimism. Yeah, this one. Flow. Wood. But these are kind of like moonshots. I really want you to just focus to the course, which is BNB, Sushi, Uni, Solana, Avax, Ethereum, Matic. That's it. Siguro konting ape. Yeah, ape coin. For me, perfect timing na to. Guys, hindi na ako mang-hype. Sorry, napapansin ko na baka na-hype kayo. As for my Maya, so here's the update for that. That's 8:06 p.m. So guys, kita nyo yung kung gaano ka-wild yung crypto, no? From, 200,000 capital, naging 240 to 170 something to 189. Wow. So again, the reason why we have this is so that, like, you can see, mga pros and cons, and syempre mas madali kasing makita dito yung peso value at saka hindi ko masyado ginagalo to compared to the investments that I have in, let's say, Binance or my decentralized investments. So ayan guys, kita nyo, like, sobrang volatile yan. Pero this is considering na sideways to down market tayo na binild up natin to position na to. You're gonna see a different like version pagka nakita yung nag-bull market to. It's insane. Pero ayun nga guys, like I'm diversifying into my positions. I'm not like going all in into these tokens. Siguro I have like at least 7 tokens dito sa my account na yun, which I've already discussed or pang sinabi ko na dun sa pinamigay ko na halos lahat. So just backread na lang if you wanna know more of those tokens. As for NFTs, if you are holding a DGATS or a UT, you gotta check out the Discord server because magkakaroon na ng migration within this next 12 hours or 24 hours. Magsisimula na yung migration, which means lilipat na sila ng chain, or well, it's still multi-chain. You can stay in Solana if you want, but there's going to be less incentives if you're going to be holding on to those NFTs at Solana, as opposed to if you migrate them to, let's say, if you have a DGAD, gusto mo siyang ilipat into Ethereum, or if you have a UT, and then ililipat mo siya sa Matic. So I'm not sure what kind of arrangement they did with these chains. Of course, that's going to be involving a lot of money, but you want to be looking into migrating those, because if you don't migrate, ang daming mga negative effects, debuffs. Sorry, hindi ko na maalala ko ano yung word na gusto kong sabihin, but yeah, basically there's going to be a lot of losses, literal na loss if ever you're gonna be staying in Solana. So if you have a youth, make sure you check the Discord so that you'll be able to prepare yourself for the migration later. Ayun. What else? What are the NFTs that I'm looking into? I'm waiting for the reveal of Oogie Pods. So sabi nila within the next 7 days there's going to be the reveal and then the snapshot for their ooze. So I don't have much details regarding these things, but definitely the speculation is still alive here. Bumagsak si yung kasabay niya, si Wolf Capital, naging okay eh. The Bastards, ito bumagsak. Naging kasabay kasi ni The Bastards itong si Utes, but yeah, D-God supremacy talaga. If ever may mga projects that are, have the D-God support or basbas niya, talagang umaakyat eh. So there's that. Oogie Pods, something that you want to be looking into this week or for the next 7 days. So most likely after that reveal, if people get to see kung ano yung nakuha nilang tuloy Oogie, then magkakaroon ng dump dyan, and from there you can decide if you wanna buy more or buy that dip. Yan. So what else? I'm looking into Famous Fox. I've already bought I think three main collections of the Famous Fox, and then just one transdimensional fox. I'm also looking into getting an ABC. Dapat kumuha na ako nung nag 40 plus siya eh. Kaso wala. Nag-hesi tayo. Actually hindi, kasi bumili pala ako ng dalawang tayo. So yeah. There's also Lily. If you're into art, this is one of the good art that is out there. Lily and Lotus Gang, that's the main collection. Mas mura si Lotus Gang ngayon eh. So if you want to get into the founders who are parang, ano ba, prominent in the Solana space, then this one is another good pick. What else? I minted dual whales, but yeah, undermint na siya ngayon eh. So not really good. This is into casino, I think, or PvP. PvP, player versus player. And speaking of casino, magkakaroon ng listing ng launch pala, si Sol Casino at si Gambles by next week. Malapit na. So expect liquidity to be sucked and then going into those projects. Yep. So ano na lang, hopefully hindi masyado mag-bleed yung mga NFTs na hawak nyo, or if ever may mga hawak kayong mga ganun, then ano ba, yeah, just manage your risk by diversifying or just staying into Solana. What else? I think that's it. Tayo pilots right now, nagkakaroon na siya ng support, and I'm still bullish at Tayo, guys. Nasa sa inyo na kung maniwala kayo sa akin, hindi, but sobrang heavy ko kasi sa Tayo pilot. So maybe I'm not really the best person to talk to, but if gusto niyo ma-hype, go lang. Just yeah, I'm not gonna ever shut up about Tayo because I believe in what they're building. I'm really heavy on the tech and really heavy in ano ba, hindi ako masyadong sold out sa culture nila. I feel like there's still a lot of things that they need to improve on, but technology wise, I feel like they are the ones that are gonna be leading Solana, especially sa NFT sector. Ayan. What else? I think those are it. Halos lahat na sabi ko na. Itong si Pawn Shop Nomis, I think they're gonna be releasing a new collection soon. I forgot what it's called, but feeling ko after nun, magdadrop to eh. Kasi Sharky yung best when it comes to Solana NFT lending and stuff like that. Anyway, I don't want to be keeping you long. Ayokong nagbababble na lang ako dito. But yes guys, as for where I'm putting my money, sinabi ko na sa inyo kanina, most of it are into liquidity mining here, liquid swaps. You can see my positions over here. Most of where I am heavy at is yung mga tokens like Ethereum, BNB, here, Arbitrum as well, Solana definitely, and then some other tokens na nandito. But other than that, yeah, ano pa ba? Meron din akong Matic eh. But I'm really just positioning myself for a big run soon. Guys, ramdam ko na yung bull market. Are you guys excited? I hope you guys are excited because the bull market is about to come. Whether or not it's gonna come, it's okay because naka-liquidity mining naman yan. Yeah, manage naman yung risks natin. Ayun, what else? I am happy to say that we are already more than a month staked into Tayo. So guys, hype session na naman to. You can close this if you don't want to get hyped, but this is what I like about Tayo. Like, they're really just innovating on the space. They have what you call milestone staking, which means after, let's say, a certain amount of time that you've kept your NFT staked, they're gonna unlock with higher rewards. So yung pinaka base reward nito was 5 GP or graphite protocol. And then after you stake it long enough, let's say 31 days, they're gonna increase that from 5, magiging 7 na siya. And then on the next milestone, which is 61 days, from 7, it's gonna be 10 graphite. And then if you boost it, then you get, let's say, 10 to 15% boost on your yields, which is pretty cool. So ito, saan ba? From 5 to 7, and then if it's boosted, like, ayan, if it's a 10% boost, that's 7.7. If it's 15%, it's 8.05 GP per day. So I have 19 of these, which means if I have 19 times, how much is, 7, let's say just the base price, right? 7. I'm earning 133 GP per day, and GP at the moment, mababa pa siya eh. But I'm really bullish about this coin. At some point, pagka nag-kick in yung mga utilities nito, liliparan din yung nito eh, yung presyo nito. But at the current prices, it's at what? 0.26? 26.4. So I'm making $35 a day. Yeah. Pretty cool. Times 55 in peso. 1,930 yan. Not bad, right? hopefully hindi na bababa. Pero feeling ko bababa pa to before we're gonna see like that huge upside. But nag-iipon lang din ako ng GP and just putting it into liquidity mining as well because I wanna be just hoarding this until maging handa sila with their utilities. Ayun lang. I don't think I have anything more to add. I think I've already covered Utes and Gods. I've already covered Tayo, the tokens. So right after this, I'm gonna be adding more funds. Ayun. Yeah, right. I remember Arbitrum as well. Some people were saying that I would do a walkthrough para dun sa mga airdrops because there's a lot of upcoming projects as well that are early stage or let's say pwede pa na if you participate into those ecosystems, you'd be able to get free airdrops. So I remember there's this friend of mine who had his testimony about getting an airdrop for Arbitrum. So parang mga 200,000 plus yata yung nakuha niya na free tokens. Again, in airdrop lang sa kanya because he was able to participate into exploring the ecosystem. Being an early participant gets rewarded. Part of that, airdrop goes to the community. And so, ayun. And siguro some people were able to get, let's say, 6 figures to 7 figures in peso. Especially nakapag multiple wallets. So, lucky you guys. I'm still learning about these things, so I don't want to be teaching something that I don't understand. Give me time before I start doing a walkthrough. Siguro magpapaduro na lang din ako sa mga tao who knows the subject matter better than I do. So, yun lang guys. What are the things that you want to learn? I will try to learn it for you. And, have a nice day. See you.